Visual automation tools are built entirely around a flow of atomic operations. You have to drag and drop those operations and then manually link them together to show how information moves between them. This is great to visualize and understand how the automation works, but this approach is very rigid. Recently, large language models and AI agents are completely changing this, and this impact is happening in two major ways. First, LLMs are changing how we build these workflows. Instead of manually searching for and connecting individual nodes, you can now just use natural language. You type what you want to achieve this in plain English, and the tool builds the workflow for you. Secondly, and more importantly, the nature of the nodes themselves is evolving. Instead of a node executing a single atomic task, you can now drop an AI agent into a node. This agent has access to a suite of tools, and they can dynamically decide which operation to execute based on the data it receives. This is exactly why a platform like N8N has gained so much traction lately with its agent node. What we're seeing now is the rise of a powerful hybrid approach. Workflows will no longer be purely rigid or purely AI. Instead, they will combine both. Take a modern customer support workflow as an example. Step 1 is a traditional atomic operation, a simple trigger that pulls a new email into the system. Step 2 is where the agent takes over. Instead of a hard-coded route, the AI agent analyzes the email, checks a database, decides whether the customer needs a refund or a technical fix, and uses the correct tool to draft a personalized response. Finally, step 3 goes back to a traditional atomic operation, a rigid node that takes that draft and pushes it into Slack for approval. We are moving from rigid flowcharts to dynamic hybrid workflows where some steps are strictly programmed and others are handled by intelligent agents. It makes automation more adaptable, more capable, and significantly easier to build.